Hello everybody, Porch Light here, and as you can see from this shot, I mean, we are growing, like, yeah. Oh, B. Now, we're in post, I don't know what you can call it, but let's just say we are ready to go. The winter stuff is starting to bolt, as you can see here. And we still got plenty of winter veggies. Which brings me to this video, y'all. Basically, we gotta start making room for the summer stuff. And if you wanna keep your winter stuff going, if it bolts, take off the stem, take off the flowering part. But everything's out here booming. But we're gonna go ahead and let these mustard greens go, because mustard greens bring mustard seeds. But herein lies the problem. There's nowhere that I can see where I can really plant something. Look at this. It's a tomato bed, y'all. Look at that. Everything's full. So I ask you, what do you do in a situation where your whole bed's full? Well, something that I was scared to do for the first few years of me doing this. But sometimes you got to make room. You know, whatever do you mean, Porch Light? Make room for what? Well, sometimes you just gonna have to cut some stuff down. Think about the food that you wanna grow, and think about the food you're not gonna eat. And there go your decision right there. So I'll give you an example. Good morning, everybody. Porch Light here. Now, I just finished recording a video, but I didn't know it was paused. But as you see, everything is blooming. Booming, boom, blooming. Look at that. There used to be a time where I could show you the whole garden, and I can't. I literally have to walk around and do this. It's crazy, right? Anywho, let's get to the video before I drop the phone again. So, if you can just take a real quick glance, all the raised beds is filled. So you only have one option this time. Normally what I do is I let everything grow, and I just gotta be, oh, no more room. Well, not today. You see this plant right here? This is Napa cabbage. Now, you can see it's about to form its head, and it's about to get real cabbagey out here. Now, I could let it do its thing, or I could clear up about a whole square foot or more of space so that I can start putting these guys in. Now, you would say, well, Porch Light, why would you do something like that? That cabbage looks like it's forming real good. Kind of like this one right here. I'll give you a real short answer. I'd rather have a bunch of tomatoes in the ground that's already 1.5 feet tall than some Napa cabbage. And I'm using my words carefully. Look at that. I didn't see that. It's awesome. But this is another prime example here. Now, these are collards. These is my best collard plant right now. I need to get these collards up off of here, because what that's going to do is that's going to clear all that space around it. And this is blocking out Mr. Watermelon over there. You don't want that. And then what's up with this plant? Whatever it is, it's not a fruit plant, so it's got to go. Point is, you probably need to evict some folks to make room for some real stuff. Now, I know y'all seasoned gardeners, y'all probably already know this, but sometimes it's just hard to evict some folks after you done put the time and the effort in, knowing that it will produce good food. Well, don't be, because at the end of the day, in order for them to grow, the others gotta go. All right, y'all, I'm gonna end it here. Porch Light out.